The interconnected nature of world events can be explained to you through the case of a single decomposing whale laying on the shore of Alaska. Between May and August 2015, 30 dead whales were found around Kodiak Island. The appearance of these whales was declared an unusual mortality event. The whales were poisoned by the domoic acid present in seawater. But you can't blame the domoic acid for causing death of 30 whales, as the outbreak of domoic acid is a natural consequence of decomposing oceanic algae. You also can't blame the decomposing algae for the outbreak of domoic acid and death of 30 whales. The algae decomposition is a natural consequence of increased population that has occurred in recent decades due to the warming water temperatures. Though you can't blame warming waters for causing increase in algae, their massive decomposition, the outbreak of domoic acid in water, and death of 30 whales. Because warming waters are a natural consequence of the rise in global temperatures. You can't blame global temperatures for warming the Earth's waters, causing increase in algae, their massive decomposition, the outbreak of domoic acid, and death of 30 whales, as the rise in global temperatures is a natural consequence of greenhouse gas emissions. But you can't blame greenhouse gas emissions for the rise in global temperatures, the warming waters, increase in algae, their massive decomposition, the outbreak of domoic acid, and death of 30 whales. Greenhouse gas emission is a natural consequence of burning fossil fuel. You can't blame fossil fuel for the emission of greenhouse gases, the rise in global temperatures, for the warming waters, increase in algae, their massive decomposition, the outbreak of domoic acid, and death of 30 whales. Because the burning of fossil fuels is a direct result of human activity. You can blame humanity for the burning of fossil fuel, for creating the surplus in greenhouse gases, causing the rise in global temperatures, warming the Earth's waters, for increasing oceanic algae, their massive decomposition, the outbreak of domoic acid, and for the death of 30 whales, as it is not natural or ethical for humanity to violate the ecosystems for the benefit of its destructive civilization.